Hello Sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. This video is all about you, all your entries to the before and after challenge and other Sheddies stuff. Thanks to everyone who entered. It's not about a winner or anything like that, it's just entering that counts. But I am going to announce a winner on, remember the last video I did, for the tool belt from Workzone, Aldi. Pouches for pens and screwdrivers. Pouch in the back there as well. Yeah, you can see in there. It's Velcro. Yeah, $4.99. Not bad, that. Just put a comment below why you should have it. I think that's the best way. It was a tough decision by my wife, but she's come up with a winner. Some of the entries had no chance. Keep up the comments though, I love them. Also, I did a video a while back on this Parkside screwdriver bit set. I picked the winner. We'll do that in the video as well. The video coming out this weekend and all the tools I can't live without. Mainly from the middle aisle. And thanks so much for all the comments in the last video. The Parkside tools, especially these, the lifting clamps. Ooh. I'm going to do a follow-up video on these. I'm going to use them as well. And lots more in the can. And if I missed any entries, so sorry. Just email me and I'll put it in the next one. The entries, I just put your first name in there. If you want to elaborate further on the description of what you've done, then please put them in the comments below. Anyone that's got a YouTube channel, just put channel at the end. And for anyone that's got an Instagram account, I put at the beginning. So without further ado, here's the video. Music by Brett from Useless to Useful channel.
It's a very manly space, but for some a sacred place. But weekend worship, weekend fun, where ideas flourish and things get done. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they got workshops in hell. For you guys in your sheds, with ideas in your heads, you cut and sand and turn your hand, create great things across the land. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they got workshops in hell. Spend money on your tools, you're breaking all the rules. Spending flesh and bone, you're in the zone, perfecting skills you work alone. When time's worth more than cash.
There's always one, isn't there?
More than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they got workshops in hell. We prize patience here, not haste. That's why nothing goes to waste. Use what you've got, waste not, want not, and try new things, it's worth a shot. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they got workshops in hell. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell.
Brett, your songwriting is just next level, mate. What did you think to that gallery? Brilliant stuff, you lot of sheer talent. It's great to see what people get up to there in the sheds and workshops at the weekend mainly. So the screwdriver bit set, the winner is Mr. Bojangles 07. Send me an email to weekendshedhead@yahoo.com and I'll put these in the post to you. The ALDI Workzone tool belt, really tough decision. My wife would have given loads of these away, but I'm not made of money. So there was a load of comments that had no chance and some really comical reasons as well. The winner is Robin Hood -the something or something. I'll put it on the screen now. Congratulations. Send me an email to weekendshedhead@yahoo.com. I'll put the link below as well anyway. And I'll get it in the post to you. Nice one. Enjoy it. Did you notice Parkside are releasing a load of tools on the 30th of January? And there's a biscuit jointer in there. I was tipped off actually. One of the subscribers, Tim, he mentioned it to me and said, oh, have you seen the biscuit joint? So I went, no. So there's some other tools in there as well. Have a look. So 30th of January, there's going to be quite a few videos, I think, after that week. And also, because I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a big giveaway. Well, big-ish to me. It's going to have a bit of a twist to it. It's going to involve the live stream we do called Shed Space. There's going to be a few people in the live stream. Hopefully one YouTuber that we haven't seen for a while. His name begins with the M. It's a bit of a cross between buying stuff from Parkside, from Lidl, and Challenge Annika. If all goes to plan, it should be quite a good live stream. I'll keep you posted. Remember to stick all comments below with bargains you find, not just middle aisle, but anything. Bargains from any store, any brand. It's good for me to know and everybody else. And I noticed in the comments as well that a lot of people don't like Parkside, and don't like Lidl, and don't like Aldi. But if you do go to Aldi and Lidl, not to buy any tools, just to buy a loaf of bread, let us know in the comments what you see. The thing I've noticed with us Shed is, whatever brand of tool we buy, we like a good bargain. Got loads more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll see you next time. Take care, and remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers! See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.